Yeah.
Jess, come take her through the sprinkler. Hold her hand.
Jenny, what are you doing? Are you going in the water? Come on.
It's cold, Jenny.
Just let her walk through, honey.
He's gotten afraid.
Jenny, what's that? Water? Water? See the water?
Ow! It's just blades of grass. Who did that?
Well, it doesn't seem like she likes it.
I'm gonna go in and swing.
What are you barking about, huh? What are you barking about? There's Jenny's dog, Heidi. She's 3 years old. Got her as a pup. Come here. Oh, Jenny. Come here. Come here, little tyke. Hey.
Read the birdie. Read the little birdie.
Jenny's brother John.
What?
Hey, Jenny. Jenny. Hello. Nice sunny day. Come here. Dad wants to see your little features on your face. Come here. Ooh. 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 Where'd she go? You want to swing? Huh? The top? Come here, Jenny. Come here. John is shooting his first video. Hi.
Hi.
You keep us in the picture, okay? We're going to take this little baby swinging. And she was swinging. There you go. There you go. Here's John's Wolverine. John's shooting his first video here. Woo! Are you getting us in there? Not cutting our heads off?
Nope.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Swinging. Oh boy. Oh boy, swinging. Yeah. You like the doggy? Where'd he go? There he is. It's about 8 feet off the ground. And Heidi behind her run. Well, you figure out some things you want me to put on video, and I'll do it. I mean, like 5 or 6 things that you're gonna do. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jenny. Jenny, get the bat. Where's the bat? Oh, that's the ball. Get the bat. You want the ball, huh? Ball, good girl. Good girl. Whoop.
Wow, are you okay then? I got it.
Ball. Oh yeah, love the ball. Here, get the bat. Love the bat. Love the bat. Hey, look up here. Look at Daddy. Oh, yes, love the bat. You want the ball? Huh? You want the ball? There you go. And the bat. Ooh. Love the bat. Love the bat. She crosses her heart and shakes her little body. Got a little man in her hand now. Whoop, dropped him. Come on. Come here, Jenny. Can't walk on a straight line too well yet. Ooh. 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 Where you gonna go?
Want to go in the sandbox?
Oh, don't put it in your mouth.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Jenny. Hey, hi. Hey, hi, Gamma. Look at your dad. Wait for Dad. Tell Daddy bye. Tell Daddy bye.
Where's it going?
Throw the ball. Bam. Throw the ball. Bam. Thank you. Here. Let me show you the ball. You get the ball. Get the ball. Yay.
There's Mom hanging up clothes. Jess getting ready for a big book sale. Jess, this is the first day of summer, right?
Right.
First day of summer vacation, anyway. What grade are you going into?
Third.
Third grade. Woo-wee!
What you doing? Say bye. Say bye.
You get my video?
There's Heidi.
What are you doing? Huh? Now we're going to watch it. Look at him running down.
Hey, Peach. Hi. Here, say hi. I said hi, Peach. She said hi, Peach back. She knows she's not supposed to be doing that.
Can I have my brush back now? Can I have that? Come on, me. So I can wash my skin.
I'm going to get the water.
Airplane.
And church cars say on the front license plate, why did it say grandparents are special?
Because your mom and I are now grandparents. We're so great that they call us grand.
Come on, Jen.
You want to go? You want to go for a ride? You're joking wet. You want to go? Okay.
Sit her right here. Dad. Dad, sit her right here. She's going to break you.
Prepare for takeoff. Here, Heidi. Come on. Here. Get him, Heidi. There's my Father's Day wheelbarrow. Probably the most useful thing I'll ever do.
Don't lean back.
Okay, get out.
What?
Dad, I can't.
Look how tall Jessica's getting.
Now, take me.
No. Go. You want to just go?
Me?
Here, put the baby up there. Hang on. Hang on. Here we go. A little bobberhead. Look at Mommy. Say hi to Mama.
Hi, Jenny.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, baby.
Now I get them.
No.
Say bye-bye.
Okay, take her out.
Better moment.
Take her out.
Now I'm going to take them up.
She's
Oh.
mad.
Oh, why are you mad?
So I can get them.
What can I say? She wants to go for a ride. Hey, you want to go? Okay, get in. Get in.
That was pretty good. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, all done. Jump out.
All done.
Jump out. Let's see if the action can be as great.
What?
You don't see us
What did you
crying.
wanna
We
say?
want to ride.
Jenny, time to get out.
Run out. Let's go out. Hey, Mom.
Whoop.
Go out. Hey,
There she
Mom.
goes.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
Okay, get in.
Jessica won that at a carnival today.
Ciao, Jen. Ciao,
Okay,
Jen.
bye-bye.
Ciao,
John getting a fast ride in the wheelbarrow. I can hardly keep up with him.
My turn.
Inside. See that camera?
She's relaxed.
She gonna go for a wheelbarrow ride.
Ah, I'm falling. That was not too fast.
Here, take her in her bed. Here, put her in her bed. Oh, nice baby. Uh-oh. Say uh-oh. You put her in. Here's her blanket. Cover her up. Cover her up. She's cold. Baby's cold. Take the blanket and cover her up. Put the blanket on her. She's cold. What you gonna do? Gonna put the blanket on the baby.
Jenny, you love your baby? Oh, love the baby. Love your baby.
Ah, sweet poor thing.
She's caring for the baby just like her mama cares for her. Her love her a little bit.
Love her a little bit. She's crying. Kiss her. She wants a kiss.
You gonna give your baby the bottle?
Get the bottle in the bed. Get the bottle in the bed.
Feed her a bottle again.
Give her a bottle again.
See her mouth going?
Give her a drink.
Give your baby a squeeze.
Hug her. Hug her.
Oh boy, big squeeze.
Oh. You want to give her a squeeze? Oh. Take her blanket and cover her. Oh. Take a nap. Or take a nap.
Flowers.
Flowers. Here. Wrap.
You're back.
She's gonna go back.
She going to bed? Jenny, is your baby gonna go to bed? Oh, pretty.
Pretty babe. Oh, you're sweet.
Oh boy.
Oh, that should be inside. Oh.
Oh, don't hurt the baby's
Give her
head.
something to drink. Give her a bottle again.